Okay, today we're going to talk about the Casstrom SFK, which stands for Swedish forest knife. It comes in Sleipner steel, which is, from what I've read, a tougher, more corrosion-resistant version of D2. It's got a 90-degree spine for striking a ferro rod. It's got nice, almost like a Coke bottle shape, stabilized curly birch handles with black liners. Nice thick steel. It's got a great leather sheath with a nice welt on it right through here. Drain hole. It's got a matching ferro rod loop with a matching ferro rod. It's got a dangler on it in case you want to wear it in the wintertime with a long coat so it doesn't go up under your shirt and your jacket. You can take that dangler off too and use the generous belt loop that they have on there if you prefer that. But you have that option. But the thing I like about it is it's very similar in design, I would say, blade shape anyway, especially to the Ray Mears wood lore or the Condor bush lore. That's what it reminds me of, just a great all-around bushcraft knife. So let's take it outside and see how it does. All right, we're gonna put the Casstrom SFK Swedish forest knife through its paces. Yeah, you can see it already splitting that wood. Let's see how it does with some feather sticks. See how it scrapes. See how it does with a ferro rod. It's the Casstrom SFK Swedish forest knife.